In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to connect GoDaddy Domain to Base44 step-by-step tutorial 2026. First, open Base44 in your browser and sign in. From the main workspace, head to Apps. This is where all of your projects live. Select the app you want to connect to your custom domain so we're working in the right place. Once you're inside the app, go to the dashboard to access its settings and tools, then open the Domains section. This page lists any domains you've already connected and is where you'll start a new connection. Choose Connect Your Domain to bring up the domain panel. You'll use this dialog to add your domain and see any instructions relevant to your setup. It helps to have your GoDaddy login ready and to know exactly which root domain or subdomain you plan to use. Now open a new tab and go to GoDaddy. Click Sign In and log into your account. If you're new, create an account and make sure the domain you want to use is in your list of domains and is active. Keep that tab handy so you can quickly confirm ownership or details as needed. Switch back to the Base44 tab, return to the Connect Your Domain panel, and enter your domain. Type it cleanly. No HTTP or HTTPS, just the domain or subdomain you intend to use. Then click Add Domain. Base44 will save the entry and guide you through anything else required. If you see prompts or status messages, give them a moment. Domain checks can take a bit of time. DNS changes, if any are needed, may take up to 24-48 hours to propagate globally, though it's often faster. If you find yourself back on the Base44 home screen at any point, just navigate again. From the home page, click What will you build today? To return to your projects, pick your app from the Apps area, go back into the dashboard, and reopen domains. Select Connect Your Domain again to continue where you left off. Inside that dialog, you can review what you've entered. If you opened it by mistake or need to pause before proceeding, click Cancel to close the panel safely without making changes. You can always come back to the same place through Dashboard, Domains, and Connect Your Domain when you're ready. That's the full flow. Open your app in Base44, go to Dashboard, then Domains, start Connect Your Domain, sign into GoDaddy to ensure you have access to your domain, return to Base44 to add it, and revisit the domains panel as needed. Take your time, double check your domain spelling, and allow a little patience for status updates. Once everything verifies, your Base44 app will be reachable at your custom domain.